what's arrived. It's my happy mail day. It's my Cocoa Daisy kit. This is my June kit and I'm really excited. My name is Lisa and I am on the Cocoa Daisy design team. I'm going to open up my kit and see what I've got. I always like to start by opening the main kit first. This one feels very heavy this month. Something exciting in here. Ooh, we have got spray ink this month. This makes a lovely change. I'm wondering if that's the colour. Shall we spray it and have a look? I've just taken out some packaging that was in my bin from earlier today. That is nice. I really like that. It's a blue, but it's not bright blue. It's kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a grey blue, but more bright than a grey, if that makes sense. I'm going to be having fun with that. I have got Cocoa Daisy stamps. I've got Beach Balm. What does that one say? Some of the best memories are made in flip-flops. Good times. Hello Sunshine. There's an anchor. Summer break. Flip-flops around here. Sunglasses. That looks like a cocktail. Sunshine and cloud, and I choose sunshine. Perfect for this time of year. We've also got a stencil. This is going to go very well with the ink spray. There we go. Really is a different kit this month. Look at these enamel dots. Can you see how sparkly they are? They're very fancy, and you could use the packaging behind as well. I've also got some die cuts here. I haven't actually had a proper look yet as to what the colour theming is here. I do tend to try and steer away from the sneaks online, as I do like to have a surprise. So it's seasidey. It's like peachy colours, pale blues, greys, very subtle. These are very, very nice. We aren't a beachy family, I have to admit. We tend to prefer the beach more kind of in the winter months. We're not a sit around on the beach in the summer type of family. We never have been, but there's always ways that I can use my kit. I'm never stumped for ideas, that's for sure. Got a couple of tags and some pom-poms. That would be quite nice on the edge of a planner page or in a mini book. These are nice. These are puffy stickers, but they're like edges, like borders, and you've got the arrows as well. Love these. We had these similar in pale yellow last month. Really nice quality alphabet stickers, chipboard, and onto the papers. So these are the Cocoa Daisy papers first. I always like to have a look at both sides, and the side that I prefer best I leave upwards, and I put them into my scrapbook organizer that way. Oh, this one's nice. I love those hearts and the wording. It's a pretty colour. I do like a bit of a contrast. I like the bright colour there. Oh, I love that one as well. That's my favourite colour. Oh, this is nice. You can really see the colours of the kit now. That's really, really nice as well. I might struggle. Oh, that's nice. That pink. And that, could you imagine that as a floor? That's beautiful. Really, really nice. I'm liking this kit a lot. We've got some chipboard. It's not chipboard. I always call it chipboard. Cardstock. Coordinating cardstock there. And this looks like the paper add-on. So we've got some jellyfish. We've got some passport paper here. This is Here and There from Crate Paper. Some little seahorses. We've got some more crate paper. Oh, I like those arrows. I might cut some of those out. This is beautiful, this paper here. Really thick paper. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. So that is my May kit. No, that is my June kit along with the paper add-on. I do also get the classified kit each month. This gets sent to me. But I'm not allowed to show you what's in it, but I do use that on a lot of my kits, my products, my projects even. I'm tired, can you tell? So if you get a chance to pick up one of these with your kit, I highly recommend it, as the pieces inside are always really exciting. I'm going to now go on. There's a little card. Oh, sweet. With the Tide. That's the name of the kit. And a little note from Christy. And let's have a look what I've got here. And this is the pocket kit. We've got another stencil. Bits from the sea. And I've got alphabet stickers. Beautiful washi. I love that. Oh, this looks like an ink pad. That's exciting. I'm really enjoying these new bits and pieces. That's like a teal type colour. We've got the 6x6 papers. These are cut down from the Cocoa Daisy 12x12s. Got some more stamps. Let's have a look in here. There we can see these are the days of the week. They're almost like on painted bits. I like those a lot. I have got a tag here with cork in June. I've got some little mini die cuts. I love these. Let's have a quick look at these. I was made for sunny days, walking on sunshine. Little tabs and tags. Really nice. I just love all the bits and pieces. I think they're what make a project, and they make it so easy as well. I'll tidy that all up afterwards. And I'm dying to have a look. Oh, we've got more bits and pieces here. We've got some more puffy stickers, and we've got a sheet of stickers as well. And I will now tuck into the journal cards. So I've got the 4x6s. Love that one. That one's nice as well. And then we've got the mini 3x4s. I'll just have a quick look through these. Oh, that's like bubbles, isn't it? I always love these cards. They're so happy and so easy to use. We've got June and July calendars. And I'll give you a quick flick through. And that is my June Cocoa Daisy kit. I am so happy with this. And I've recently found out that if you wanted to subscribe to Cocoa Daisy, if you're a new subscriber and you quote my name, Lisa, L-I-S-A, when you place your order, you will receive a discount. So I'll link up below for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe if you don't already. And I will be posting projects using this kit very soon. Thank you so much. Bye.